Good morning, friends of YouTube. Today we're going on a hike at Government Canyon State Park, partially to get this guy out of the house and away from the screens. Welcome to the video. Today we are headed to Government Canyon State Natural Area, about 35 minutes outside of downtown San Antonio. There are a number of trails that you can do. The most popular one is the Dino Tracks Trail, which is a 5-mile round trip. And when you get out there, you can actually see dinosaur footprints in the mud. It's actually super cool. Good morning, Alejandro.
Good morning.
Are you excited to go hiking this morning?
Not really.
So on this visit, we did the Spurs Overlook Trail, which is about 3 miles out and back, and it was rated as moderate. So tip number 1 is to select your trail before arriving at the park if you can, or select the trail as soon as you get to the park. That way everyone in your party knows what trail you're going on, kind of the route that they're taking, how long it is, how long it's going to take, or how long it should take to finish it. And is it going to be an easy hike or a moderate hike or a hard hike? Tip number 2 is to establish a meetup point so that everyone in the group has an idea of where they should be stopping while they're, where are they going to stop along the trail and wait for everyone else to catch up. As you can see, when you're hiking, when you go out hiking, especially with kids, the scenery basically starts looking all the same. Especially if you look at how dense all that wooded area is, you kind of turn yourself around in a circle and it all looks exactly the same. So it could be pretty easy. I mean, the paths at this particular park were pretty well marked, but if you strayed off the path just a little bit, I can see how someone might get lost. So this particular park had pretty nice views, not spectacular views, but it was a fairly short hike and it was pretty easy, other than the parts of the hike where I felt like I was going to roll my ankle. Other than that, it was okay. So I'm currently hiking by myself because our one kid, Alejandro, decided to get ahead of us on the trail, and he passed wherever he was supposed to have stopped. And so now my husband and I have split up. I'm taking this trail down to the main one to go back to the parking lot. My husband is backtracking back the way we came. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so tip number 3 is, if you don't already have a set, get yourself some walkie talkies. You could bring your cell phones, however, you may not have good reception out there. I personally, I don't know how good the phone reception is. We didn't call each other while we were on this hike, but walkie-talkies would have been a good thing, because as you saw, we did get separated from Alex. It caused me great heart palpitations and stress and anxiety. So definitely, if you are hiking with kids, something to consider.